Hey guys, hi, welcome to my channel. I hope you guys had a wonderful holidays and happy new year. And this time again, I have come with an excellent opportunity to make money online. And be assured that whatever I'll be suggesting here will be 110% worthy, which I have tasted personally. So, without wasting your much of time, let's get on to it. So, first thing that we're going to talk about is the Nevo Crowd. NeoCrowd is a defined source company that works on AI market, and the main aim is to collect the data from the different part of the world, and with the different accent and sell it to the big organizations such as Google, Amazon for their auto advanced products such as Alexa, Echo. So what it says is be a part of next evaluation. Join Nevo and contribute to the smarter AI world from your own computer or smartphone. So it doesn't matter if you're having only a smartphone or having a computer. It just needs you need to have a verified PayPal ID that is must so that you can get paid into it. Okay, you just sign up, do the process, and get paid on your PayPal. So what Nevo says is, let's see the video also. So you can see it's like AI that they are selling. So what you need to do after registering, you'll get into sign into the account. I am already signed up with it, so I'll go to my dashboard and show you how it looks like. It says good evening Shivansh, and here are the work that I had performed in my past. You can see English speakers 20 sample recording, task completed, speaker from India speech recording, the main collection, etc. So these are the tasks that I have performed, and all the thing that they are asking is very easy. You just need to have an app which is known as Haratio, which is created by the company itself, and you need to just prompt the command as it says in your native language, native English language mostly they offer. So what it says here, scripted speech recording, record audio on your Android or iOS device by reading the given prompt. So when I click continue onto it, what it says, let's see, it's getting loaded. Okay, this is a simple job exclusive for English speakers from India. Like this you will get from the different parts of the world, not dedicated to India. I'm from India, that's the reason I got from here. So what are the requirements? English speakers from India reside anywhere. You read the prompt exactly as shown. You record in quiet area without any background noise. So make sure that whenever you record the prompts while using the app, make sure that you are in like silent place where nobody is shouting and yelling into you or surrounded by you, so that you can prompt the audio as it is. And payment for this, you'll have to do the simple recording of 20 samples. It will take less than a minute for you to do that, and you'll get paid $2. So it's not something by which you will get rich quickly, but it is something from which you can make handy money, which will be useful for your pocket. Okay, and what it says, if you do well in this sample job, you will be invited to the larger project of 200 recording and up to $6. So in this way, the better you perform, the more you get paid. So this is the main thing. And when it comes to the app, you'll see there is an app name written as Horatio, which you will find in your Apple Store or maybe in Android phone that you are using, Play Store, Google Play Store, you can find it there. What you need to do is just go to the app, sign in. I'll show you just here. I have already downloaded, here's my dashboard. So this is the thing which you'll get when you open the app and sign in. English speakers from India speech. I have submitted everything, so I will not be getting any prompts here, but when you do that, you'll definitely going to get from it. And how we get paid is via PayPal, and I'll show you just here. You can see Defined Crowd Corporation. This is the payment which I have got from them, $2.16 for the first work, and this is the 110% guaranteed that you're going to pay if you work. So I hope you guys have got some value from it. If you like the video, just press the bell icon and subscribe to my channel so that next time I'll come with another video and real genuine money making opportunity.